Hey love bugs! Today I've partnered up with Xrsbeauty to bring you this beautiful look. We're going to be doing a full install including these beautiful curls. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. For starters, here's a look how the wig looks like straight out of the packaging. As you guys can see, this clear lace is absolutely gorgeous. It's a body wave texture and they included this elastic band to go inside to make the fit nice and snug. Be sure to check out the description box for links to everything included in this video, including a coupon code to shop. Hey love bugs, welcome back for another video. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley and today we'll be playing in this beautiful lace wig. She comes courtesy of Xrsbeauty. And this is the box and packaging that the wig came in. Now they did give me some free goodies and we'll go over that at the end of the video. Before we even get started, I just really want to give you a close-up of what this lace and this hairline looks like. Now, if we're keeping it a buck, I don't even pluck this amazing. So to receive a wig that looks like your favorite Instagram stylist, Arrogant Tay, celebrity stylist, then went ahead and plucked your lace, this amazing is on point. And they also included two pieces of lace. One is the lace that we have on our head now, and the other is the lace that you typically would get with wigs. So stay tuned and I'll show you the comparison. You can already see how that one is white, but I'll show you guys that once I install the wig. So the greatest part about this wig is that we are pretty much ready to install. No prep needed. You don't have to bleach the knots because it's done for you. You don't have to tint the lace or pluck out the hairline because they did an A1 job at that already. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the excess lace. I'm gonna bond her down. We're gonna decide if we wanna do baby hair or not. I think we're gonna go with the Arrogant Tay style baby hair, which is my favorite. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and install. I kind of want this to be a little bit more clean of an install, so I'm going to go with the Old Faithful. I'm almost out. I have a travel size for my trip, but I need to go ahead and order a larger one because this is my favorite.
stop, stop, stop. Stop, stop, stop.
Okay, so I am in love with the hairline on this one. And you guys see I did absolutely nothing. This literally was 2 steps. Actually 3. Cut the lace off, bind the wig down, do the baby hair. Very simple, and I think it looks really good and really natural. Even more important is, even usually when I get my baby hair to look even close to good like this, behind it's nice and thin and gradient, so it never looks like baby hair and then thick into the hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a elastic band to allow this to dry and set. So essentially I just want that lace to dry down so it doesn't lift. And then I also want the baby hair to set and mold to the shape that I made it. Even when you look at the headband or the hair behind the headband, this looks so natural and good. So let's go ahead and decide what we want to do with this wig. And I believe this is 13 by 6. It may even be longer than that. So you definitely get a good amount of parting space. With this wig, I opted for a curved parting. I love to do a straight part, but sometimes a curved parting is a little bit more flattering. And with that, I like to use my wax stick and the electric hot comb. This combination will make the wig look so flawless. Trust me, these things are only a few dollars on Amazon. I have them linked in the description box. I think the the hot comb was about $11 or $12. Super affordable, or I'm sure you can find one in your local beauty supply as well.
Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop.
So I opted for curls with this look. I did the first side off of camera, and as you guys can see, they came out super beautiful. On camera, we're going to do the other side, but I'm kind of going to speed through it so you'll kind of get the picture of it. I'm going to section it off into 2 sections, and I'm curling away from my face in large chunks, not going up too high with the curling iron, and they came out super beautiful.
Stop, 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 stop.
I'm going to go ahead and add powder to the hairline. This is just a way to like finalize the look and make sure that the lace blends with your complexion. You guys seen it looked amazing before, but even better now. Okay, so we are pretty much done with this look, and I'm pretty impressed with the wig, how it came straight out of the packaging, how nice and easy it was to install, how well the hairline looks, and also how amazingly easily it took a curl. You guys know I ain't no expert, so I don't like to touch it too much. You know, it's kind of like with me, if it's broke, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, because I'm not that good with curls. I really don't want to comb the curls out. I want them to fall where they choose. I love how nice this baby hair looks. So as I mentioned, this is a new kind of lace. I believe they call it clear lace, and they gave me a piece to share with you guys, stapled together. So this here is clear lace, and this is what we are rocking today. And then this here is regular transparent lace. Now, if you know me, you know that I like transparent lace, but I like it as a base. I feel like it is too white, too transparent. It's kind of like some translucent powders, how it's meant to set, but on certain ones, on certain complexions, it will leave a white cast. Well, this looks good on some people, but on my complexion, it gives me a white cast, and you guys can see that. Like, you know, if you look at it while it's wet, it does blend, but there's still that white cast that I have to cover. This is the clear lace, which is what we're wearing today. And if I go ahead and spray it down, this one here is invisible. From every angle, it's on my skin with no white cast. It lays down and acts right. This one here doesn't want to completely lay down, and it has a cast. So I'm not saying transparent lace is bad, but what I'm saying is the clear lace is way better. So, and it's a huge difference. And as you guys see, as it dries down, this one is staying attached, and at all angles it blends effortlessly with my complexion. This one doesn't act right. It is kind of a little bit harder, and it has a cast to it. So the proof is in the pudding. Clear lace is the new thing, and it is the way to go. It even like stuck to my hand and glued down really nicely, whereas this one had just as much and it just didn't stick. So I'm not trying to be a Debbie Downer or tell you guys what to do, but if you are looking for some new hair for the spring and summer to come, highly recommend clear lace, and Xrsbeauty does it very well. Again, I hope you guys love this look. Hopefully by the summertime we will be like super professional with our curls. I want to be able to do like feather, you know, that's my thing, without having to cut anything. I don't want to play with it too much because I don't want to mess up what I got going. But hope you guys enjoyed this video and you guys love the look and how it came out. Don't forget to check out Xrsbeauty. Link to this wig is in the description box, as well as that coupon code I mentioned, as well as a list and links of everything I used to complete this look. I'm Ashley Bedeck if you are tuning in for the first time. Thank you if you made it this far in the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, because I know you want to become part of the tribe. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches! Okay, so I just finished doing my B-roll and taking some pictures. Actually, I took a break too, but I forgot to show you guys what's in the package. So insert this clip, who knows where. They gave me this 6-pack of lashes, and these are right up my alley. I like to order like random packs of lashes like this from Amazon. They gave me this clip here. It looks like a leaf. Super cute. 2 clips. I call these duck bell clips. I'm not even sure if that's the right name for them, but you know. Can't have too many clips. And then a pack of wig caps. Of course, this is way too fair for my complexion. So all I'll do is I'll buff a little bit of foundation at the front and center so that it'll match. Now back into the video.